Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing the way we write and create text in the digital age. AI writing tools can craft everything from simple sentences to complex stories, essays, and even jokes that sound remarkably human. These tools use natural language processing, a branch of computer science that helps machines understand our language. When you type a prompt, the AI recognizes patterns from billions of examples and creates new text that matches your request. One fascinating ability is how AI adapts its writing style to different situations. Need a formal business letter, a casual friendly message, or a creative fantasy story? The AI adjusts its tone to match each purpose perfectly. At its core, AI writing works through a simple relationship. You provide input and it generates output. The AI guesses which words should come next, one by one, until it forms complete sentences. Give it "roses are" as a prompt, and watch it complete the rhyme with red and continue the familiar poem. To understand language, AI uses something called word embeddings. Word embeddings convert words into numbers, allowing the AI to track meaning mathematically. Words like happy and joyful get similar numbers because they share meaning, but happy and angry are far apart numerically, reflecting their opposite emotions. Ask about dolphins, and the AI naturally includes related words like ocean, swimming, and whales. These tools have countless practical applications in our daily lives. AI helps with summarizing long texts, translating languages, fixing grammar, and brainstorming new ideas. For creative fun, it can write poems, song lyrics, and even movie scripts. But with great power comes the need for ethical consideration. AI can sound convincing, even when it's completely wrong, making fact-checking essential. That's why AI works best as a partner to human thinking, not a replacement for it. Here's what teens should remember about these powerful tools. Think of AI as a robot co-writer that assists your human creativity without replacing it. AI helps you write, it doesn't think like you do, and the best results come when humans and AI work together.